All right, so today I finally got what I was been waiting for, and I do for all my bikes. I've had 4 bikes now, and package came in today, as you can see right there, and it is the quick release gas tank cap right here. It looks exactly like this. This one's for my GSXR, and now I'm gonna replace this one with the R6. All right, well, it comes like this. As you can see, it's from Motoparts. And I've never had any problems with any leaks. It comes with how to replace, instructions on how to replace the cap. You can also look online, people do videos on it. All right, so this is what you get. You get this quick release gas cap. You get a gasket, and you get the screws. You start with the 4mm Allen key or hex key. Crack that open, go around. Okay, so in order to get the gas cap out, you do have to release it like this, because that holds this lip right here. And you'll see this one screw here inside the gas tank, inside the cap right here. It's 4mm right there. It's 4mm. So you need to crack that. So once you unscrew that inner screw, then the gas cap is easy to take off. And I'll clean up inside there, and I might have to use the seal that goes around. So here's how it's gonna fit on there. I mean, it looks really good compared to what was in there, but I think I'm gonna reuse the gasket that goes around this part. It's right here. I just have to make a modification on it. As you can see with the GSXR, I didn't have to use it. There wasn't really that much space, so I didn't have to use it. But I'm gonna modify this one and slip it in and see how it looks. So everything fits pretty good except for this back piece, which I'm gonna have to cut. It's just not sitting right, so I'm gonna cut this piece right here. So I went and cut the piece, the gasket over here. You see how it is? Just cut that little piece so it fits over this edge. So that fits nice and easy. See, it fits pretty good. So here's the gasket that comes with it. We're gonna drop this right in here. Now we have that in place. And we're gonna put our full gasket from our old gas tank on here. Now that we modified it, it fits really nice. Okay, so I got it prepped and I'm ready to install the screws. The instructions right here says to use some Loctite on it. Now you want to get it going, and you want to go around and consistently screw them all down together so you don't have one side that's lopsided. To give it a little torque. All right, and that's it. Installed. There you go. You go to the gas station and that's all you have to do. Quick release. Nice and easy. Now another thing is when you take the gas cap, the original gas cap off, your key is going to get stuck in here. So what you have to do is you have to compress the spring. You hear it click. And then let me see if I can work my fingers. See? I was able to work my fingers, so I compressed it, and I was able to work my fingers to pull the key out.